Hello Saggies, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly career, business and money reading from 2nd November to 8th November. Now this reading is about what opportunities could present itself to you in terms of your job, business and money situation, during this week. Also what challenges you could face, if any, during this week, so that you can handle this wisely. So these are general readings, not all messages might resonate, so keep whatever resonates. Also this is based on your sun and moon sign, so check those videos as well. So let's see, 3 shuffles for Saggies, career, business, money situation from 2nd to 8th November. Career, business, money situation for Saggies from 6th to 8th November. Last one more shuffle. Career, business and money situation for Saggies from 6th to 8th November. Okay, so let's see here. Queen of Swords. I'll just put Page of Cups. The Moon. King of Cups. 2 of Pentacle, 3 of Wands, and bottom of the deck is Justice. So Justice card, this also came for another sign. Justice is like if you have legal cases in court and the verdict is this week, so illegal cases in your favor. Also be accountable for your actions, and then this also speaks about you will need to deal with lot of legal issues or signing contracts, documents, deals, negotiation deals, dealing with legal issue, either putting a signature on a paper for some legal work, to personally going to the court to attend a hearing or getting the verdict. Everything it covers. This is for some of you here. Basically if you see it, it's like you need to be accountable for your action. And treat everybody fairly, that you will be doing anyway. So this is it. Let's see. So Queen of Swords, you're very clear, Saggy, now. Queen of Swords, you are no more into misled. You cannot be misled by others. You are very analytical, you are very straightforward, you are very focused on what you want now, and what you want is love and romance. It seems here somebody, because there are King of Cups and Page of Cups, some office romance, or you're more into, I feel money is not the theme of the week here. There is one Pentacle card for you. You want to enjoy life, you want to, this is Page, so you want to be enjoying your life right now, having partying, going out with friends, having a good time. That's what I feel with this cup. There could be a proposal, a love proposal at your workplace, it could be, or anywhere. So it's more about romance and love. That's what, because 2 King of Cups and Page of Cups is there. Could be a Libra or a Scorpio. So very clear what you want. You're not obsessed about money this week. I do not see about career, about job. You're letting your head down, you're partying, you're getting together with friends. That's what I feel here. Emotionally you are feeling you will be feeling better with this King of Cups here. You will be vulnerable to and you will you'll be loving, caring, and towards friends, family or spouse, partner, and that's what basically this week you are more focused on having a good time. That's what I feel here. So I told you some good news coming. It could be in your personal life or professional life here. This is an opportunity which you could lose if you are not, if you do not grab it on time. That's what I get here. This fish might just slip out of the cup. This fish in this cup is the good news. So it might just slip out if you do not hold. So grab this opportunity, whether it's in professional life, in personal life. You could get a creative project or creative job or an interview schedule, anything, or a project coming to you, creative project. So grab this opportunity, otherwise you might lose it. It's like that. The Moon card. The Moon card here, Saggies, is like there are certain things which is hidden, or you have certain fears in your mind. So if it is fears, let go of your fears. The Moon card is like go slow, and with time things will unfold, the truth of the events will unfold. So some of you, if you are stressed regarding a certain situation, it's just that you should give some time to it, and do not rush into things. That's what again. So it's about fears, it's about secrets, it's about it's about maybe some of you are stressed with certain negative thoughts also could be. So I tell you, that's what, let go of the fears. With time, things will get better. If some of you are stressed about, I feel it's more about personal life, because it's coming after Page of Cups, the Moon, and the King of Cups. So it could be a personal relationship also that maybe you are struggling with, some of you here, which of course impacts your job situation, business, money situation, everywhere. So that is the reason. So King of Cups again, very caring, nurturing, good time, having good time with family, friends. That's what I get here. You are intelligent, you are in power, but you are vulnerable. So you are emotionally open. You express your emotions. That's what I feel here. It's more about love and affection here. Now some of you are having options or having choices here. Two of Pentacle. You could be juggling. This is a card of juggling. So you could be juggling a business and a job situation. You could be maybe thinking of juggling, or you are juggling already. So maybe you have a business and you want to start something more. So that is again what I get here. Or a job, or a business, or two businesses, two jobs. It's like different for different, all of you here, whatever resonates. But basically it's about two options. Maybe you have two job offers and you are weighing and trying to find out which one is better. Or in business you have two options, you are trying. Also in your mind there could be certain thoughts like you going for this or you're going for that, about a certain situation, about a certain person. So it's about choices to make. It's about either balancing or choices to make here. Also this card is about maintaining those boundaries and being within a limit. So if you are excessively partying, you should cut it down. If you're excessively hardworking, putting a lot of hard work and no play, so you should also not only work hard, you should take some out to play too. So this is what it comes with the card, like balancing, juggling options. This is for some of you. Three of Wands. You're waiting for some news to come, some negotiation to come to you, some partnership coming to you. You are waiting for that. It's a card of waiting, but it's about growth and expansion. It's a positive card. Some of you may be traveling national, international, and for business, for work, and you will see success here. That's what this is, a card of you finished your part, and this is the final negotiation that has gone on the table, and you're waiting for an answer. So maybe a project that you completed, you are waiting for the monetary benefit. You appeared for a job interview this week, you're waiting for them to revert back to you, with their yes or no. But usually this card is like a very positive card. So you are in a position of strength here. If it's a deal, so you will get whatever you want, the way you have been expecting things. It's a positive card, so whatever you have been waiting for this week, maybe next week you get an answer. So this is a card of growth, expansion, and waiting for some of you here. Pentacle card, Two of Pentacles. So definitely you are putting in lot of work also in money situations. Basically it's money coming from the hard work that you do, I mean the fixed income sources, or there is an indirect source like an insurance payout or something like that. Some sudden money could come to you which you aren't aware, like you aren't aware of that, and it's like indirectly you get a check or a payout or some from government. So some of you could get that kind of money here. This is what I get, Saji. Whatever fixed income is there, it will keep coming. Sudden money could come to you from either a project, a deal, a negotiation, so this is it, or from a government agency. Some of you, if the government agencies or an insurance company owes you money, you might get that. So this is it, Saggy. So let us just pull out an angel guidance card. Dreams. So believe in your dreams. This is your card here. So beautiful card. So this is it, Saggy. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much and stay blessed.